Hi everyone. So another happy customer. This radio actually from one of our subscribers. This is original Renault GTA radio from 1980s. Um, it had a lot of issues. Someone was trying to fix this radio before. Okay, so was messing with the motherboard. So we had to replace it. We changed all lighting bulbs, belts for the cassette deck, cleaned everything, lubricate, and also replaced few bits was broken from the corners. And we did manage to install the Bluetooth. Okay, so let's test it out. Also, we had to unlock the radio, remove the code from it. Right, so radio works. Let's try the cassette now. Okay, let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay. Works just fine. All the buttons is responsive. Equalizer also. Okay. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves. So this button will switch the band. So let's press a couple times. That's one. That's two. Now we have to go to our cell phone. Go to Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device
That's
is
it.
connected successfully.
Now we go to any music we have on your phone. This time, of course, we play commercial free music because of YouTube. That's it. Radio plays from your phone. How cool is that, huh? Let's try another song. Now I'm in really light place, and there is no way to show how the radio looks in the dark, but I can ensure you that all lighting bulbs are changed and works just fine. And when you want to switch back to your regular radio, simply press this button once again, and you're back to FM mode again. Cool, right? Thumbs up.